All right, the air is out of the tire. We're going to bring it over to the bead breaker. And a good practice is to assume that every tire has a tire pressure monitor sensor in it. We're going to use the valve core as the relationship for the tire monitor. When we place this into the bead breaker to break the bead, always 90 degrees away from the valve stem, either at the top or at the bottom. Step on the pedal, and the bead breaker will break the bead, to unseal the tire. Rotate the valve stem to the bottom and do the same thing. Like that, this bead breaker will never touch the valve stem. Repeat for the other side. Valve at the bottom. Valve at the top. Once the bead's broken off the rim, you can put it dismounted.